In an effort to use less plastic and have less garbage, I decided I was going to go out and I was going to get some glass storage containers for my kitchen. I chose the Amazon Basic set because all I needed was something basic. I may have it upside down, I don't know. We're going to try to. It is glass, so I want to be careful with it. Yeah, I had it upside down. So we're going to start out with these two rectangles, and then we're going to get to the circular ones in a second. They are packed one instead of the other, so let's take off the top, get rid of this piece of plastic, and then we do it again. So there we have two each. Center these a little bit. So there we have two each of the rectangles. Let's get to the circular ones. Pretty much the same thing, just they're in circles and not rectangular. So there you have it, the Amazon Basics storage set. Glass bottoms, plastic tops, the tops lock on good. Everything works good, everything looks good. It's what I wanted glass. All in all, I think it was a very good value, and I'm glad that I went ahead and spent my money and got it. Now, if you like this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe. I want you to leave a comment. Whether you liked it or not, I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good year, and a good life.